shouting. I'm the one who's shouting inside of the movie house, and then the two moviegoers at the back of me been laughing. Anyway, some fun, and I really love the story because it's some kind of different compared to other love story that combines with crime and passion, or a love story that combines of freaky twist, or a love story that combines of what's this, murder, or some kind of what's this, mystery. So if you're gonna ask me, guys and gals, I'm gonna give them a 9/10. What's this, 9/10? 9/10 score. And then what else? There are some scenes that really shocking, and
More shocking.
there's a twist on the story, especially on the before the scene, before the story ends, and it really looks like real when the you know what, I don't want to divulge, but there's a touch of the substance of Demi Moore, but not the story about the substance, but the creature created in substance. The substance on that particular thing has no match for this thing of Together. And I couldn't really believe, guys and girls, but I really love the story and the pacing of the story, even though the first scenes are not that kind of awesome, but it's cool and it's pretty good. And I guess they are establishing the characters and the story, how it will goes along the way. That's why. So you know what, sometimes the director doesn't want us to give a total entertainment, or what I'm trying to say is they don't want us to be more over too complacent or over too confident that this movie is really, but you know what, they can give it that way, but I think they just want us to be pissed sometime, especially on the first part. And I'm just thinking, but I'm gonna ask them first what could they add about this movie. Guys, would you like to add something about the movie? Gosh, you're so boring. Wala talaga, agad talaga tinatapos mo na, ha.
Si cellphone.
Would you mind, can you make some cellphone later on na lang? Listen to us muna here in our topic. Please cooperate.
Ako talaga, gusto ko yung pelikula. Kaya, syempre, hindi tayo nakatulog. Talagang tinutukan ko talaga na gusto ko malaman kung ano talaga yung Together. Together.
So curious ka talaga?
Yeah. Together. Basta yun. Sila talaga dalawa.
Dapat. Okay. Ikaw, anong
May
hindi mo
nakakadiri na, medyo naman may nakakadiri na.
Huwag mo sasabihin, ha?
Oo. Basta, yun lang. Nagustuhan ko yung pelikula. Kaysa sa nauna. Pinanood natin.
Ikaw, may hindi ka ba nagustuhan doon? Na hindi mo nagustuhan? Yung pagiging dirty? Ikaw, meron ka bang hindi nagustuhan sa kwento?
Natural na yung kwento ko yan. Mayroong reality. Parang may reality. Nakatulog si Tiape, pagod.
Okay. You know what, guys and girls, I don't want to elaborate much more. I just want you to search for it and find it how the movie being great. Okay.